All right, YouTube, check it out, man. You see the camera's moving. I'm using something different to record on because I left my other mics at the house, so this mic didn't connect with my Sony just because it don't have the plug. So this one was already connected to my DJ Osmo Pocket 3. So we're gonna go ahead and use this camera for now, but check it out, man. We got something in the mail last week. Check it out, from Stylecraft. I ain't gonna lie to you, I already opened it. I was interested in it when I got it. And I was gonna do a video, but I was busy. Like, I was booked up for that time while I got this package, so I didn't get a chance to actually unbox it for y'all, but I did open it because I was interested. But before we actually get into unboxing this, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button, comment, share with some of your friends, all that good stuff. Make sure you subscribe because you know your boy be doing giveaways and I'll be dropping some good content. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. That way y'all know every time I drop a video so y'all can check it out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this package from Stylecraft. All right, but let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what came in this package. So check it out. This is basically just saying the drop date, which is June 1st. So we have the new Metal Edition Instinct Shaver. So June 1st, this thing drops. We're gonna put that down right there. But check it out, man. Here is the box. The Instinct Metal Edition Instinct Shaver from Stylecraft. Professional vector motor shaver with metal housing. So it's supposed to be a metal shaver. On the back, it says metal housing dampens noise and absorbs vibration for quieter, smoother operation. Premium gold titanium foil with audible crunchy cutter offers a superior shaving experience for even the most sensitive skin. The Vector motor offers an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute. That's a lot. With unstoppable power, providing highly optimized bulk removal in one pass. We get 2.5 hours of cordless runtime with a 2-hour charge time. USB-C rechargeable for universal charging, you know, all that stuff. But let's go ahead and open this thing up so we can see what comes in. Once again, y'all check out the packaging. Y'all know how Stylecraft and Gamma does with their packaging. Looks, packaging's on point, but let's go ahead and open this thing up. Y'all check that out. Check that out right there.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, so we got that. The Metal Edition Instinct. Let's go ahead and get the shaver out of here, because I know that's why y'all clicked on this video. Oh, it's nice. Check that out. It's a nice, I'm gonna get this closer to y'all. I know it's trying to like move and capture my face, but hopefully y'all can see this in the video. So here is the shaver right here, a nice metal shaver. We do get a cap on it. Let's take this thing off. All right. So the cap is kind of weird, I guess, to say the least. But nonetheless, this is the cap on it. But here's the shaver. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on because I'm excited to hear how this thing sounds. Yeah, check that out. Sounds super powerful. Let me grab another shaver. So here's one of my go-to shavers now. As y'all can hear, it does sound powerful, but this one sounds powerful also. So we're gonna put this thing to use, but as you can see, we do have the dual foil shaver heads right here. We have the little circle, just like the Instinct, where you can see inside of the shaver. We got the on and off switch on the side. We have a regular charging port and then the USB-C charging port also. And then there's a button on the side you push, takes the foil heads off. And here are the foil heads, the shavers. Go ahead and put that back on. Sounds good. Let's put this to the side real quick. Let's see what else comes in this box.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So we also get the charging cord, and they send you a stand. So you do get a stand for the shaver also, which I think is pretty dope. So you would put it in there like that, and then you would just plug the charging cord into the port back here. So you got a charging stand for your shaver, so that's pretty dope. But let's go ahead and see what else comes in here. So you take this off, and the only thing that we got is a USB-C cord, which I need because I be needing it to charge certain things. And then the user manual that we ain't even gonna look at. And then we got this little brush that once again comes in all of our stuff that I don't think anybody really ever uses this, but we're gonna throw that back in there. That basically what comes in the box of the Metal Edition Instinct Shaver. Once again, sounds super powerful as y'all can hear. But we're gonna put this thing to use in this video, and I'll be back later to let y'all know what I think about this shaver here.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the Stylecraft Instinct Shaver. Check that out one more time. As y'all can see, it's a nice looking shaver. We have the cap on it right here, but we can go ahead and take this off so y'all can see the foils. So here are the foils on it. And as you can see, we have the Stylecraft branding right there. We have the little window, I guess you can call it, you know, that Stylecraft does with their instincts. You know, all the instincts have like a little window, whether it's the trimmer or the clipper or now the shaver. They have the little window right there. That way you can see, you know, the inside of the shaver. We have the on and off switch on the side. And then we also have the charging ports down here. So as you can see, we have the regular charging port right here that you can either put on the charging stand or connect the plug straight to it. And we got a USB-C cord right here, or a USB-C dock that you can plug in a USB-C charger, and it'll charge the shaver, right? So that's basically, that's just some of the basics of this shaver right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all once again, just in case you didn't quite hear it in the video. As y'all can hear, it's got a nice hum. Now, I know some people may say this thing sounds loud, but honestly, you know, when you're turning on tools, whether it be clipper, trimmers, or shavers, with these mics, whether it's this mic or the mic on the phone or the mic on the camera, sometimes it picks it up a little differently than how it sounds. Now, I don't want to lie to y'all and say that it's a super quiet shaver, because it's not. It's got a pretty powerful hum to it. You know, the hum is pretty, you know, it's up there. You can hear it, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think that it's overly loud, you know what I'm saying? I want to make sure that I make that clear, because there's some times where I post videos of me turning on my tools and y'all be in the comments saying that it sounds really loud. Now, y'all have to remember, guys, sometimes these mics pick up more. I don't want to say pick up more, but sometimes they amplify some of the sounds. So it is loud. It's not a super quiet shaver, but it's not as loud as it may sound on this microphone. But with that being said, that's all I wanted to touch on with that. Let's go ahead and start talking about this shaver. Now, this is an all metal shaver, as y'all can see. So if you knock on it or you grab it and you can feel it, it's all metal. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice metal shaver. Feels really heavy duty, nice and durable. The shaver head, I believe, is plastic. It might be metal. Nah, it's a plastic head. Let's go ahead and take this off. Now, as you can see, here is the shaver head. Here are the cutters right there. We can put this thing back on. And ergonomically, I like it. You know what I'm saying? It feels, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. To me, it feels kind of like a Babyliss style shaver, like the way it feels. You know, it's all metal. It's got some good weight to it. And honestly, it performs really good also. So out the box, obviously, it's going to work well, right? But I think this is probably one of the most powerful shavers that I've ever used. When it comes to balding out, guys, one swipe and that hair was just erased. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just melted away with this shaver. And I'm really excited for this shaver. And I think this is probably going to be my go-to shaver for a minute. Now, just so y'all know, currently my go-to shavers that I have been using is the Babyliss FX1 shaver and the JRL single 4 shaver. Those have been my go-tos right now. But this one may make it up there also, because I love the way it performs, love the way it feels. I love the all black color, you know, the black with the gold accents looks nice. You know what I'm saying? Check that out one more time. I'm really liking the way this thing works and the way this thing feels in the hand. Once again, it's got a nice weight to it. I don't think it's too heavy. Some people like lighter shavers. Some people like heavier shavers. I guess it just boils down to preference, right? But me personally, I think it's a good weight. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't feel too light, at least for me. Like I saw earlier in the video, this shaver does come with a charging dock. So I think that's pretty dope. You know, you can place the shaver on the charging dock and you can display it on your station. Or if you want, you can just charge it, you know, just plugging the cord in however you'd like. But I like the fact that they do include a charging dock, because a lot of shavers don't really have a charging dock included, right? A lot of times you just have to plug them in and let them charge or whatever. But the fact that they offered and they gave you that charging dock, I think is a plus. You know, a lot of people like stands for their tools, you know, their clippers and trimmers and such. So why not add one with the shaver? That way you can place your shaver on the charging stand and display it with your other tools that you have on your station. Now, I really don't have anything negative to say about the shaver. So far, it's been working great. Once again, I know y'all gonna be like, bro, you didn't say that a lot of times, but I like the ergonomics and the shape and the weight of this shaver. You know, to me, I feel like it's just that perfect weight and it feels super comfortable in hand. Once again, when it comes to performance, it performs well. I haven't had any issues with it. Balls out really well, and it gets the hair like super short, like super short. You know, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if y'all can see in the video exactly how short it looks, but I feel that this thing gets the hair down really quick and it gets it down really short, and I think that's a plus because when we're working in the shop, you know, time is money. So if all you have to do is one pass with this shaver and it gets that hair down to as short as it can possibly be, obviously that's a pro when it comes to this Stylecraft Instinct Shaver. So I just want to make sure I share that with y'all. That way y'all know that this thing is working good. Now, once again, guys, it is a brand new shaver. A lot of shavers work really well, especially when they're fresh and new out of the box. A lot of times what happens is the shaver heads and the cutters start to dull down a little bit, so that's when the shaver really doesn't work as efficiently and as good. But I haven't had no issues with it so far, and I'm enjoying using it. Now, I believe this thing drops, I know I said it earlier in the video, but I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't even remember. I believe it's June, you know, in June when this thing drops. But I think they are having pre-orders right now on the Stylecraft website. So you can go over to stylecraftus.com and pre-order this and use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself some money. You know what I'm saying? Now, once again, you don't have to get this shaver, but if you're a fan of Stylecraft, I really think you'll enjoy this shaver, not just for the way it works, but the way it looks. Like, I think it's a pretty cool looking shaver, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's just me personally. Obviously, everyone has their own opinions. You can form your own opinion on this shaver, but that's just me. I think it looks nice. I enjoy using it, and me personally, I'm gonna keep it on my station. But with that being said, once again, guys, you can go over to stylecraftus.com, use my discount code TANK10 to save yourself some money on this shaver and any other tools they have on the website. Also, I wanna make sure I put this in there that I don't know when Forward Barber Supply is going to get it, but when they do get it, once again, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on their website also and save yourself some money, because I'm going to be honest with y'all, sometimes Forward Barber Supply has these tools a little cheaper than the brands themselves. So I don't know how much this is. I will put this on the screen, but let's just say it's going to be, let's just say it's going to be $140. Sometimes Forward Barber Supply may have it for like $130, $134.99, something a little cheaper. So just, you know, I just want to throw that out there just in case y'all are interested. But, you know, whatever you want to do, however you want to purchase it, that's all on you. I'm just here to give y'all my opinion and my review on this shaver. But my review on this shaver, all in all, great tool, like using it, like balling out with it, like the shape, like the ergonomics, and like the weight. And I'm personally going to keep it on my station, and it's probably going to be my go-to shaver, you know, going forward. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.